We
Grown up
in
shots!
this video, we're gonna explore the new update because I think
Mwah.
you've seen it. Have you seen it?
Mwah. Yes, I
haven't
have.
seen it.
But
Don't spoil it.
I'm gonna go change my fit, y'all. Where'd he go?
I'm right here, little boy.
Hey, look at me, bro. Look at me. Stay here, okay? Stay here.
Shh.
Wait. What the heck was that?
London. What the? London.
Where is he?
Hey, I was here the whole time.
Guys, I lost some weight. Hold on, I'm stuck.
You gained weight. Why is my arm like that?
I lost the weight.
You gained weight.
Get on.
Did you really just try to do that?
No.
You can't believe it.
Hey, but you should buy a rocket and
Oh,
save yourself.
you're right. I don't know why they changed
Yeah,
it.
get on. Okay, this time go and get off, because you have a rocket to save yourself.
Okay.
Okay?
You're right. Are you serious? What the heck is that, guys? No, I don't want to spawn in lava. I'm scared of lava. Thank goodness I didn't spawn in lava. I just barely missed it. So, you want to explain what you did?
Wait,
but-
do it to me. I want to see what it looks like.
Okay.
I want to see what it looks like.
Get on.
Let me put my stuff
Get
away.
on.
Oh, I gotta put my stuff away.
Yo, that's cool. Join
What is?
this.
What is it? I have
The
that.
Halloween bucket. You joined.
I
the
have that.
Discord?
I didn't join it. I just stayed in the browser for like 10
Yeah.
seconds. All you have to do is stay in the browser for like 10 seconds and just... Send me flying, boy! Did it the wrong way.
How do you do it?
Okay, gimme! 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 Alright, get on. I'm gonna show you how to do it.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me
So-
how to Dougie.
What you wanna do is you wanna fire the person right here. So you wanna get the person ready, and then you wanna shoot.
I don't want to fall in lava. Please, I'm scared of lava. No, please, don't put me in lava. Okay, I missed you. Alright, wait,
My
let's
arm
go.
looks so-
Let's go.
my arm
explore-
looks go so goofy.
Let's go
Huh?
to the
Oh, try
update.
it! Try it on me!
Let's go to
Try it
the
on me.
update. Let's go to the update. What's the update?
Try it on me!
Okay.
I taught you how to do it.
I know how to do it now.
You missed.
I think it's like that.
Let me
I
on.
think I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it. Okay.
Yeah, let's hope so.
I got it. Let's go, guys. I did it. Dang, bro. Are you good? Are you okay?
I'm
Oh,
right here.
you're right there.
Yo, no, I'm gonna show you how to do it again.
They
Get
made it like
on.
me. Wait, there's a new bundle. I wanna show them. It's the crocodile bundle.
I said get on.
Like, okay.
So what you wanna do is you wanna fire the person like right here or anywhere,
Okay.
and then you wanna get it ready, jump up, and go shoot.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Watch. Look.
Give me!
Look.
Alright, I got it now. I got it. Get him.
Better learn it, boy, because my headset's wrong.
I did it! I did it! Yo, I did it. What the heck? Yo. You never find me here. This is like this is underground. Yo, this is the hiding spot. He's never gonna find me.
Boop.
Try and find me. Hence the map, the big map. The big scaling map. Woo. Yo, look at the map. Okay, wait. Start over. I got out my own spot on accident.
Okay,
Look over there.
go. I'm just watching Coco, man. I'm not cheating.
Dude, you better not.
Are you ready?
Almost.
Coco Melon.
Alright, I'm ready.
Oh, guess today I'm cave diving. Oh, I'm under the map. What the heck?
I just found
What the
that
heck?
when you were underground.
What the heck?
Here, wait. Stay there.
Oh,
I'm right here. Oh. Alright, let's go to the
coming out.
update.
Wait,
Let's go to the
go
update.
on there. Go on there.
Let's go to
Go
the
on
update.
there. I said go on there.
I want to see the update.
My head is too big.
Of course it is.
I said go in there.
Oh,
Go
on
up
the-
here.
Okay.
Yeah, go on the red carpets. Hey, wait, stop. Stop moving.
What the heck?
Peekaboo. Yeah.
Let's go to the new update.
Okay.
now. What's the new update? Tell us.
I just ate mac and cheese on my pants pocket.
You look so stupid.
Alright, let's go to the new update.
Alright. Wow, dude, awesome.
Wait, we need a light.
Back.
You need a light.
Okay.
Need a light. Buy me a big flashlight, because I don't have enough.
Here. Let's go.
I just took yours. We gotta go to work, bro. We're late for our first job.
Dude,
We're late for our first job. We're late for our first job.
yeah, but this is sketchy, bro. Is this
I know
the
we're
area?
sketchy. Yeah, they don't even have a coffee machine. Can you believe that?
I feel like this is the wrong place. Check the address.
Yeah, me too. Oh snap.
Yo,
I don't know. I think I
elevator is
messed up one
broken.
digit. Oh, wait.
What?
That doesn't mean we can't climb it. Hold up. With the power of friendships. Hold up.
You got it.
Yeah, let's go. What the heck?
What? Yo, they're playing Mozart. Why is it trashed?
I don't know.
Wait, this area
Why
is
is there a bunch of water
condemned
in
due
here?
to the rapidly spreading nature of viral organic containments.
Hey, look at me. Turn off your flashlight. Come here. Turn off your flashlight.
Yeah.
Flash ring! Ah, my ears!
What was that? That's
Maybe
talking.
we want to wash our hands.
Yeah, you're right.
Look at me.
No, hey!
Look at me.
Here.
Look at me. Double flash ring!
You got sight.
Oh, man.
What the
Here
heck
you
is
go.
this? Give me a flashlight.
I said, here you go. Oop. Wait,
What the
hold on.
heck? Is this thing locked?
Stay here.
No!
I'm scared. Can you come in here?
Alright, 3, 2, 1! Yes! I got my
It's over
flashlight
here.
through!
It's over here.
I got my flashlight through.
How'd you get your flashlight through?
Just throw it.
You just throw it? Wait,
Yeah, just
hold
throw
on.
it through. Wait, in here?
It didn't work.
For me, it works. Look. Oh, you have to throw it fast.
It didn't work.
Check it out. See? See?
Maybe
See?
we should just be mad. No, my flashlight.
It's okay, I got my flashlight.
Alright, let's find the key card.
Is there a monster?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a servers. Yo.
There's a key card. Come here.
Remember?
I'm gonna get my flashlight through.
What is this? Scanning for...
Watch this.
Scan key card to admin access.
I got it.
Yep, we got our flashlights. Is it in here? What is it? Can you pick this up? Oh. I got the key card.
Not the key card.
Oh.
That's not it. Alright, let's go. I'm stuck.
Maybe it's in here. Is this the key card?
No, I don't think so.
Let's check. Nope. That's not a key card.
Come on, man.
This is scary.
We're gonna be
bro.
late for our first job.
Man, I think this is the wrong place. Do you hear that? Who is that?
Oh no. Come on.
This is scary.
We can't be late.
Yo. Is this our
Whoa.
office? Oh, leave.
What is this?
Yo, what is this?
What is this?
What the heck?
Door password BP37080.
Gold.
Whoa, 7080. Whoa, what the heck? Oh, you need the code. 770. I need your tallness.
What's the code?
Why did that actually scare me?
What is that? Blinded.
crap.
Yo! There's two! Why did they attack?
Run!
How did you not die? 3, 2, 1. Run! Run! I did it. Oh. Alright, bye. Mr. Cheese has to go.
Wait, come here. Let's find that dog. I hear a dog.
Yo, doggy!
What the heck? What is that? Hi, dog.
I don't think that's a good dog. Bad boy.
Jump in. No, we're not doing anything. What? That's right, I'm invincible.
Let's explore. Oh crap!
There's another dog.
These are bad boys, bro.
Where'd you go?
I'm right here. Next room. Yo, next room. Alright.
Whoa.
What is it? Is this our office, bro? Because it's a little bit
I
too
don't know.
big.
And a little bit too dark.
Yeah.
Why don't we go in there? We're going here.
What's in here?
I don't know.
Just a bunch of service rooms.
Ah, I hit my desk.
Yo, what is that
Let's
noise?
go up here. My headset's at 2%.
Alright, when Mr. Cheese gets
Let's
off,
go up here.
I'm still gonna. What the heck? I'm still gonna explore when Mr. Cheese gets off.
There's a bunch of eyes.
Wait, what's in here? Yo,
You should
Look.
try jumping in it.
look what I got.
You should try jumping in it. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Can I see it? Now you're gonna jump in here and get it.
Okay. Oh, I'm not getting that. That thing's gone, bro. I'm not going in there. Yo, oh yeah, there is more. Alright, where do we go?
I'm gonna jump in here for science. Don't jump in there. Oh, my headset died.
Oh, dang. Mr. Cheese is gone. I'm by myself. Yo. This is scary. I'm gonna get off. See you. Alright, bye.